This is the story of how I met your father.
You will be just fine in the summertime. It is such a crime, 'cause we're not right. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me. Crazy for you. 君が好きだと叫びたい。明日を変えてみよう。凍りついてく時を。What's alive inside your mind, my dear?
Oo, ito yun. Ito pala dito. Ano to? Bakit mali tayo? Ito maliligaw kasi ito pala dito. Sa tawiran ako. Mas mali pala na naman. Sa taas eh.
You always let me know. You never let it show, my dear.
Ang pangit.
What's alive inside your mind, my dear? Terrified of getting over you.
Suspicious looking people.
Parang hindi.
Thank you for visiting us.
Layo.
Always let me know. You never let it show, my dear.
Wait lang. Hi guys, good morning. Ngayon lang ako nag-video. So, it's my day 4 here in Tokyo and Ira's 5th day. Tapos, ngayon, mag-film na lang ako ng mga ganap. Tapos, insert ko na lang siguro yung mga ganap yesterday or from the day na dumating ako. Na kung ano-ano. Pero, ngayon, dapat mag-Mount Fuji kami. Unfortunately, ang mga person nagising but nag-sleep. Sila yung mukhang hapon talaga. Pero yun nga, bers ma-distract. Ngayon dapat Mount Fuji kami pero ang agenda na lang namin pagkasyahin lahat ng gusto namin today. Like, kami, claw machine. Tapos may gusto si Ira, yung nakita naming laro sa Thailand, nilalaro pala niya, yung mga watermelon. Tapos, Ueno Park kami, mag-thrift store, Harajuku. As, kung ano man yung mapuntahan namin, or baka mag-cafe. Thank you sa pa-cafe ni Ira palagi. Dahil yun ang aking vitamins. So, we'll update you. Paubos. Yun, nakaka-bloom pa lang ng cherry blossom doon. Pero iba green. Pero sobrang init ngayon mga be. Naka-t-shirt ako. Nakikita nyo ba? Kinakaya niya nga magpalde. Oh. Sobrang init. Summer na.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's
Okay, so we will try. Sana makuha ko si Hello Kitty. Ang arte. Cinnamon rolls. Mama Merles. So, 300. Okay. Ay! Si Hello Kitty! Ay! Si Hello Kitty ba natin? Ay, hindi! Last one na nga yun, no? Ay, hindi, iba. Yung bear. Ano ang pangalan nito? I forgot. Ano yan? Yung bear? Ano sa'yo? O, palit tayo. Ah, sige. Cinnamon roll. Ito yung bear sa akin. Ito yung cinnamon roll. Hindi. Ano ang pangalan nito? Oh my God, sorry guys. Naka-Japanese. We got the goods. Cinnamon roll. Ting nakuha ni Ira, pero nag-swap kami. Haha, cute cinnamon roll! Mama Mer!
Maganda ba? O pabaliktad? Dapat pala malapit yung ulo. Okay. Yung nasa pilit na bilog.
Pang ano lang yan? So guys, we're going to Ueno Park.
Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing this game. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that